Today we're going to talk about how to create a section. So most of the boilerplate, like we did do in our previous video, so we cloned this builders. It was coming from the growth themes. We clone it and then we give it the name builders. So as you can see, HubSpot, the boilerplate of HubSpot is gonna come with different kind of folders, image, JavaScript, module, sections. So all those are the boilerplate for the section that you can try to use. But if you want to create a sections, right click, new file, HTML abo. So there's the thing that you're gonna choose, template, page, and then you call it, for instance, like card 3 column, for instance. Let's give it a card 3 column. Create. So now once you have something like that, so we're gonna just delete this part here, and then we're going to have type section. I'm gonna call it type section. Just see this one. Yeah, so we're gonna call it like type sections. So this is the some descriptions that you can try to put here. So the variable that you can see, we have a variable called template type, and then the type of this template is section, and then the label is gonna be card 3 column, and then is available for new content. So if you want this one here to be editable in the page editor, and this is the screenshot of where you can put the screenshot of the of your sections of that card 3 columns. So once you make a screenshot, you upload that folder, the image in that folder, and the image section previews, you upload it, and then after that you can reference it here, and there here where you can put the descriptions of that particular section. So now from this one here, the section is, we have the main template, and then after that we have the sections. So this one here can help us just to be able, yeah, so it's gonna help us, is gonna help you to add section within a template. So the basic part of this one here, just to add, we have the end section, and then the end section. Okay, so and the end sections, and then after that we want to add inside there, let's add column, the end column, and the end column, and then we're gonna have the end module, is here. We're gonna now have to add the path name for the module. So our path name is the module that we're working on, card 3 columns. So it's this one here, card modules, card 3 columns. Okay, let's say this section, card 3 columns section. This one didn't say. Okay, so we're having error the warning in builder section, card 3 columns on line 10. DND module cannot be descendants of a tag DND column, and oh, sorry, you forgot one thing. Supposed to put the row. Okay, so DND row. So yeah, the end row, and also we have to end the end module, and the end module. There we go. So now put it nicely like this, and the end row. Remove this module here. Okay, so just make it like this so that must look nice. So as you can see, we have the DND section as the main wrapper. After we have the column. After that we have the row. Okay, so you can even duplicate it, put another one here so that you can have like another section there. I mean another row. So and then we can preview. Okay, let's save, publish, changes, refresh. Here we go. Yeah, so that is gonna look like this. So yeah, so now once you have this one here, we're gonna have to reference it now in our we're gonna have to bring this one out in our template. So to do so, okay, we're gonna look one of the templates. Let for instance take blank template, open blank template. So you're gonna want to reference this one here. So to add that one there, so there is a variable that we're gonna use. Just want to copy that variable. What do you call it again? So the variable, find that abo token. So the variable is you're gonna use this this abo tokens could include DND partial path. This is the way that you're gonna use. Okay, so there we have eurobana.html. So as in our context, we are using cat3 columns. We're gonna check the name nicely. Sections, where we at? Sections there. Cat3 columns. .html. So cat3 columns .html. Yeah, there we go. So we have that one there. Okay, this is just a default error. So now let's go check. Let's publish and then check. Here we go. Here we have our 3 columns there. So this is the way that you insert your you call what the section inside your template. So you're gonna use this include DND partials. So yeah, we're gonna carry on in our next video. So we're gonna talk about the next video is going to be to talk a bit about the partials, so footer and also header. Thank you so much.